Okay guys, today I'm going to solve this limit and I'm going to use what we call Squeeze Theorem. So first of all, we know that sine this function is bounded here with 1 and -1. This is true. Whatever x here we have is the argument, we'll always have this situation. So the bottom line here is to starting by this we can get here. So I see that sine here, its exponent is 3. So I'm going to do, I'm going to take 3 here. 3 will be the numerator, not numerator, exponent. So I get this sine to the power of 3 here of x. Here it's 1, right? So I see that first here I have this x here, so I'm going to add x every side here. Here it's still the same, it's -1, right? Is less or equal to x plus sine. Yeah, it's sine to the power of 3 of x is less or equal than, I can write x plus 1. So I can divide every member by this, right? I can do this because it's positive, they are taking positive numbers. X, it's taking positive numbers. I can do that, nobody will judge me. So if I take this, I get this. Yeah, it's sine over c5 x plus 6 is less or equal to this. Okay, so I can take limits now. Every single side here, limit as x approaches infinity. Yeah, this plus x plus sine to the power of 3 x over 6 x 5x. I don't know what is happening with me. I even forgot here to put limit. Oh my god, I even forgot to put that. So yeah, it's limit as x approaches infinity, x plus 1 over 5x plus 6. So here we know that we look for x and that has the highest exponent, and of course here we just have x to the power of 1, so we are going to take its coefficient here. So here this limit is 1 over 5, and here we get this limit. See that from this we got here that is equal to what we had from the start. So here it's this x approaches infinity, 5x here. So here is this. So as they are both equal, we can say that this limit is equal to 1 over 5.